how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube using your mobile device, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Your Channel. On your channel page, scroll down a little and tap on Subscribers. Here, you'll see a list of people who are subscribed to your channel. Important note: only subscribers who have chosen to make their subscriptions public will appear here. Private subscribers will not be visible. You can tap on any subscriber's name to visit their channel. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to see your YouTube subscribers on mobile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Bye!